Sometimes you're watching video like that and you might be wondering how they add GPS data like speedometer, G-force and attitude sticker on videos. So this is Anis Tariq. Welcome back to another video, and today in this video I'm going to show you how they add GPS data or GPS sticker on video footage like speedometer, G-force, attitude data. So if you're new in my channel, please consider subscribe and hit the bell icon for my latest update. If you did already, thank you so much. So let's get started. So for adding GPS data on your GoPro footage, first of all you have to turn on GPS. Going to settings, on performance, and swipe up for regional. As you can see, GPS is turn it on my GoPro. So if you're not turn it on yet, just turn it on, then go back and make sure this GPS sign is showing white then ash color, so it connect to the GPS, then start shoot your video. After finish the record, then open your GoPro app from your phone, Android or iOS. I am using Android. Then connect your Android to your GoPro camera. Just press on view media and it will connect to your camera, and all videos here recorded on your GoPro. So I'm selecting one of this video. It is 22-second video, and as you can see, then you need to save on your apps. Just for saving, click on right up corner, just share. There's the share button here, right down, and it's saving. It take time, depend on your video size and mobile. After saving done, just tap on done and back to the media. This video is showing here, and press on pen icon for editing. And as you can see in this bottom, here is the lots of options, and another option is stickers. Just press on sticker. Here is the lots of different GPS data. You can add GoPro logo, and also you can add speedometer like here. If you play video, it show how speed recorded. Then you can recenter this, pressing again on this logo here any corner. Then you can add train GPS app, and you can add train maps from here, clicking, and it's showing the map exactly. Then you can add GPS path and it show your path. Then you can add speed chart like here, and also you can add attitude. Then you can add G-force data also. Just press on like that. Then for saving, just press on tick mark and just save. So video is final. I hope this video is going to be helpful for you. If this video did helpful, please thumbs up and share my video. See you on next video.